Hello students, today we will study the chapter called solutions. Solution. So what is a solution? Solution is a homogeneous mixture of solute and solvent. What is a solution? Solution is a homogeneous mixture of solute and solvent. So what is the meaning of that? Whenever the solute is completely dissolved in the given amount of solvent, so that the kind of the liquid obtained can be taken as a solution. So solution is a homogeneous mixture of solute and solvent. Then what is a solute? So in a solution, the substance which is taken in less quantity, the substance which is present in less quantity is called solute, and the substance which is present in large quantity is called the solvent. So what is the solute? The substance which is taken in less quantity is called solute, and the substance taken in large quantity is called solvent. So the homogeneous mixture of solute and solvent is called a solution. So, give an example for a solution. So, we will take the example of a solution. Air is one of the solution in which many number of gases they mix with one another to form air. So, air is nothing but an example of a solution, or NaCl in water. So, whenever NaCl is added into water, NaCl will completely dissolve in water, it will form a solution. So, alloys. Alloys are also one type of solution in which solid solute is dissolved in solid solvent. So, here gaseous solute is dissolved in gaseous solvent, solid solute is dissolved in liquid solvent, and solid solute is dissolved in solid solvent. Okay. So then, what is a binary solution? So we know the definition of a solution. Solution is a homogeneous mixture of solute and solvent. And what is meant by a binary solution? So what is a binary solution? Binary solution is nothing but one type of solution where there exist only two components. So for example, NaCl and water. So by the addition of NaCl into water, we are going to get NaCl solution. In that solution, the first component is NaCl and the second component is water. That means two component system can be taken as a binary solution. Okay. So next we will go through the concentration term. So what is meant by concentration? So we are preparing one of the solution. In that solution, how much amount of solute is dissolved in, how much quantity of solvent that is to be expressed. So that expression can be taken as the concentration. So concentration can be defined as the amount of solute dissolved in specified quantity of solvent. So this is nothing but the concentration. So what are the different types of solutions are there? So there were different types of solutions. Totally there were 9 types of solutions. So type of solution. So here solute and the solvent. Totally we are having 9 different types of solutions. So if we take solid solute and if we dissolve in the solid solvent, we are going to get one of the type of solution. So if we take liquid as a solute and the solid as the solvent, we are going to get another type of solution. So if we take gas as a solute and is dissolved in the solid solvent, we are going to get the third type of solution. So all these three types of solutions can be taken as solid solution. Solid solutions. Next, coming to the fourth type, solid solute is dissolved in liquid solvent. We are going to get the fourth type of solution. Liquid solute is dissolved in liquid solvent. We are going to get the fifth type of solution, and the gaseous solute is dissolved in the liquid solvent. So we are going to get the sixth type of solution. All these three types of solutions can be taken as liquid solutions. Liquid solutions. Coming to the seventh type, solid solute is dissolved in gaseous solvent. We are going to get the seventh type of solution. Liquid solute is dissolved in the gaseous solvent. We are going to get the eighth type of solution, and gaseous solute is dissolved in the gaseous solvent. We are going to get the ninth type of solution. All the last three can be taken as gaseous solutions. Okay, so these are nothing but the different types of solutions that we come across. So among the 9 types of solutions, the very important type of solution can be taken as solid in liquid, then liquid in liquid, and gas in liquid. So these are nothing but the 3 important solutions that we are going to study. So one by one we are going to study the 3 different important types of solutions among the 9 solutions. So what is the concentration of solution? The amount of solute dissolved in given quantity of solvent is called concentration. So depending upon the concentration, we can classify the solutions into 2 categories. One is dilute solution. The second one is concentrated solution. So what is a dilute solution? So dilute solution is nothing but a type of solution in which small amount of solute is dissolved in the given quantity of solvent. So in this solution there is a presence of a small amount of solute. So in the given quantity of solvent we are dissolving a small amount of solute so that the solution obtained can be taken as a dilute solution. So what is a dilute solution? A solution in which the small amount of solute is dissolved in given quantity of solvent is called a dilute solution. Then what is meant by a concentrated solution? A solution in which the large amount of solute is dissolved in the given quantity of solvent. So if we add large quantity of solute into the given quantity of solvent, we are going to get a concentrated solution. So what is a concentrated solution? A solution in which the large quantity of solute or large amount of solute is dissolved in the specified quantity of solvent, we are going to get a concentrated solution. So dilute means small amount of solute is dissolved, and in case of concentrated solution, large amount of solute is dissolved. So those are nothing but the 2 different types of solutions based on the concentration.